how can you improve something that you can't see? And I'm referring to the air around us. How can you make sure that the ventilation is proper, that you don't have a buildup of CO2, and that the temperature and humidity are at the right levels? With the Verkada SV sensors, you're actually able to get real-time readings of not just that, but other things such as vaping, motion, light levels, noise, carbon monoxide, and formaldehyde, all by just deploying this device either on a wall or on the ceiling and giving it power and access to the internet via a simple Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Now, I touched upon these sensors in a previous video and showed you how easy it is to define your thresholds and set notifications via email or SMS in case something happens. So in today's video, I wanted to highlight a few of the ways you can actually consume this information, because you can deploy a lot of these sensors, but after a while, you'll be looking at smarter ways to understand what's happening around your facility. One easy way is via dashboards, which work in a similar way to viewing stations. You can use this share button to send it to a third party by just asking for their phone number or email contact, or pair it with a smart TV that is able to go to this website here and display a 5-digit pairing code. The dashboards themselves are made of multiple pages with one or multiple tiles on each one, and you can easily click the view button to plot it on your existing screen. If you need to edit it, you have a button for it. Here is how you add a new page. While if you want to plot another tile, all you need to is to select between a time graph, multiple readings of the same sensor, an aggregate metric across multiple sensors, or a list. Once you pick one, you are presented with a follow-up screen that will allow you to configure that particular reading, such as select multiple sensors for the tiles that allow you to do so, and then from here, choose not only the reading, but also the color coding. If you want to view historical information across one or multiple offices, this is where the actual analytics tab comes in. So let's say, for example, you might have an initiative to stop vaping in your bathrooms and you want to see if it has been effective. You can check this page and hopefully see a decrease in trends of the alerts that the system is generating. You can choose your reading, choose the time span depending on how granular you want to be, and also if you want to see all sites or target specific ones. Hopefully that gives you a better understanding on how you can consume data, especially if you have a big distributed environment. Remember that this sensor is like a Swiss Army knife. You can use it in various different ways. If you have areas such as bathrooms, changing rooms, rental units, where due to privacy reasons you cannot put cameras, this can tell you in case people are smoking, vaping, are exhibiting any sort of antisocial behaviors, such as having parties or loud arguments. But at the same time, you can use it in a regular office room. With more and more people coming back to work, this is one way you can make sure that there is no carbon dioxide buildup and people have access to clean, fresh air. And obviously for sensitive areas, such as comms rooms or storage rooms, you can make sure that the temperature and humidity is at the right levels so those items do not get damaged. Remember that any readings that the sensor has can be used as part of our alarm system. So if somebody were to walk in front of it, the sensor can trigger an alarm. If this is of interest, please get in touch with us for a free trial.